The history of this corridor has been predominantly rail, and bringing back the streetcar created an opportunity to bring back some of that history in an active use. So you have the streetcar, you have these wonderful pieces designed by Infinite Scale, CRSA and the RDA and South Salt Lake. You'll find some other pieces down in their platform. So they kind of end both sections of this project and refer to the history that's long-standing here in Sugarhouse and South Salt Lake.
What games did I play?
Look at this. What does this look like? What does this remind you of? It reminds me of